Welcome to Peninsular Acoustics. We're here to tell you about Padel noise assessments. Padel is one of the fastest growing sports in the UK, and when new courts are constructed, they have to go through the planning process, which requires a noise assessment. So what is Padel? And how does it compare to other racket sports like tennis? Padel is played within a glass and metal cage surroundings. The court is much smaller than the typical tennis court. The balls are lower in pressure and smaller. It's typically played with groups of 4, rather than tennis where you can have 2 or 4 people playing. The noise generated in Padel is from the ball hitting the glass and the metal surrounds, as well as the racket-ball connection, while in tennis it is just the racket-ball connection to consider. Also note, the paddle bat has no strings, and a tennis racket has strings. With different balls and different rackets, stroke bats, clearly different noise will be produced on the ball strike. A Peninsular Acoustics noise assessment for Padel identifies the nearest noise-sensitive receptors, typically residential dwellings. We use our calibrated noise models and provide comprehensive noise reports to aid the planning process. Please get in touch with Peninsular Acoustics for your Padel noise assessments for the planning process. We are here to help, and we have a nationwide coverage. Our contact details are on the page, and we look forward to hearing from you.